You can do the white border on cutout photos in Canva, and it's not even by doing a complicated Canva hack anymore. It's actually pretty simple now. Hey there, I am Danielle. Welcome to my channel. If you are new here, I'm a Canva certified creative, and I love to share Canva tips and business tips here on my channel. And today I'm going to show you how you can easily add that white border to a cutout image. Ever since Canva Pro introduced the background remover for photos, people have been asking how you can add the white border in Canva, and it used to be through some different complicated hacks that have kind of evolved as more photo effects have become available in Canva Pro, and now it is super simple, and I'm going to show you how. But before we jump into Canva, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos like this. Okay, so you can open up whatever Canva size that you want to create this on. So if this was going to be for a YouTube thumbnail cover image, I would open up this size. But I just opened up a regular Instagram post image. And I am going to, I took some new photos for this, so I should find them. I really should have already uploaded it. But here, we'll go with this one. I'm just going to drag it in and drop it into Canva and let it upload. So the first thing that you want to do is remove the background. So go to Effects, and then right at the top, click Background Remover. I should have said this in the beginning, but this is a Canva Pro only feature. So if you want to try it out, be sure to check out my link below because I have an extended trial for you. Okay, and it cut me out. I don't love the table, so I'm going to go over here and maybe kind of erase it on the outside of my hands. Okay, so that is good enough. I'm going to go ahead and just leave it in the middle there. So I'm going to click Done and Apply. And this takes a little second to refresh. You want it to be the thumbnail there. So I'm going to go ahead and click on the background. We want to be sure to set the background color so you can actually see your white outline. So let's click on our image, go back to Effects, and you see this is what you want to see now in this tab, your cutout image. And now we're going to go down to Shadows and click Glow. Give it a second and then click on these lines right here where it says C controls, and you're going to bring the blur all the way to 0, transparency all the way to 1, set your color to white, and then you can adjust the size so it can be really, really thick. I like it around maybe like 10, I would say like 8 to 12. So 10 is a nice sweet spot, and I'm going to go ahead and click Apply. And there is our white outline image. And really that is it. From here you can resize it, drag it around. If I wanted to make it come in off the edge, I could do that. I don't actually love the layout of this picture, but it's so super simple to get that white outline. Now I want to add that once you apply that, you cannot go back in and adjust the thickness or the color. If I come back to Glow now, it is just simply going to just add a second effect, which is kind of fun because it makes it look like a little sticker of yourself. So now you can add white outlines and turn yourself into a little sticker. Now I will say I've experienced this kind of glitching when I've gone to resize, just like it did just there. Sometimes when you start applying these effects, it does that. I've also seen it if the Wi-Fi has been a little bit spotty, which does look like it kind of dropped for a second, maybe. So if that happens, I just click undo until it gets to some semi-normal point. You may lose a few steps. One time I had to like reapply the line. But other than that, it's super simple and easy. You get your white outline with just a few clicks. Okay, let me know in the comments below what kind of image you're going to be adding the white border to. Is it for a new profile image, a cool thumbnail? And it doesn't have to be white. Remember, it can be any color you want it to be. Let me know in the comments below. And for more videos like this, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe. You will stay up to date, but it truly makes my day, and and it helps me here on YouTube. And be sure to check out one of these videos that pops up here. I will see you next time. Hey, oh wow, I'm so glad you're still here. I wanted to tell you about my course, Pretty Printables. If you're interested in all about learning how to create the best printables, where you can create awesome lead magnets and products that earn money time and time again, all in Canva, be sure to check it out. I walk you through all the building blocks of creating printables, from workbooks, ebooks. I even cover a little bit about creating planners. So check it out. You can find the links below.